Stir that, make sure we have the right taste, which is...
Is it perfect?
Wow!
It's awesome. Welcome back to Chef Layne's YouTube channel. I'm Chris, his niece, and the camera girl.
Yes.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a nice comment. Grandpa, you won the last challenge. Uncle insists that he would win this challenge. How do you feel?
I feel that everybody has dreams. And technically he's just dreaming. But it's good that young kids have dreams and hopefully work towards his dream. And maybe you never know, maybe he achieves it.
Yeah. Any hints on what you're going to make this time?
No, this is gonna be a surprise. I'm making something that a lot of people won't think possible. Put it that way. It's people traditionally have this dish or this specific cut of meat in a certain way. I'm gonna do it in a different way completely that a lot of people wouldn't even realize that it's possible.
So the last competition we had 3 categories. We had tasting of the dish, plating, and creativity. So I lost in creativity of the dish. We were very close on plating, and I won tasting of the dish. So this time around, I'm going to focus more on creativity so I can maximize on all of the points. And I'm sure that I'm going to win this time.
Those are very small. They look like mini fries.
Mini fries.
Yep. You can fry them and then they will really look like mini fries. Get some pumpkin.
Yes.
What my mommy called me. My mommy called me a pumpkin.
Look and learn.
Pumpkin and June plum or whatever it's called. So you're grating the plum?
So we shredded a whole June plum, get it like this, but we specifically did it with the skin on. That way you get a tangy like taste to your sauce.
Okay.
Due to the fact that you're using sugar, you have to balance it up with a little tanginess. So we shredded the June plum with the skin on.
Okay.
So this is my June plum. So my sauce will be a sweet and spicy June plum sauce.
I can smell. What is that you're adding?
All purpose.
So, all-purpose seasoning. And
Now what we're gonna do is to stir that, make sure we have the right taste, which is...
is it perfect?
Wow!
It's awesome.
Now we're gonna make it thicker by adding some flour.
So what did you just add in?
So I just had a beef thyme and pepper in the leaf. So I had both.
Anybody is confident that they will win?
I don't know if he is, but I am.
This is called a roux, but it's flour with water. We're getting the sauce thicker. That way it glazes the oxtail perfectly.
Okay. What are you doing right here?
So this is my June plum sauce, and I'm glazing my oxtail inside of the June plum sauce. But note that this oxtail is already cooked, fully cooked.
Just adding some more flavor to my sauce. That's it. I had a little orange juice to it.
That will have more flavor?
Yeah, I had little orange juice. I had some onions, and now I'm gonna add some scallions.
That is so colorful. The two chefs here are working very hard. So, Well, let's see who's gonna win. What are you doing here?
So, I'm just gonna blend all of this right now.
All of it?
All of it.
Oh, okay. We're gonna see that after. And all of it. Now this pressure cooker is screaming at me. I know what's happening. What is that?
Thin julienne slices of green peppers.
Okay. Junior Chef, what are you doing?
I'm just adding some fresh June plum with the cooked one.
Okay. Doing right now?
I'm just basically gonna boil some Chinese noodles.
Okay, let's have some checkup on that Chinese noodle. This time. Noodles.
So this is plum that I boiled first and then blend. So this is everything that was in the water I blend.
So you're trying to like squeeze out all the things that's not supposed to be in there?
Yes, because this will be my sauce. So I'm trying to get all of this out of it.
So this will be the sauce.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. What I'm going to do right here now, I am going to boil my noodles in this. So I want my noodles to capture all the flavors.
I don't know about that.
Okay, you'll see.
This is a sweet cinnamon nutmeg sauce for the pasta. Or the noodles.
Some Chinese noodles.
Remember, we don't want it to cook too much. Just cooking my noodles so it cooks al dente.
That's the same reason why I turned off the fire on the mine.
So as soon as it starts to fall apart, I will start taking them out.
Yeah. Of course it's gonna taste good. Of course!
It's hungry, right?
Woo! That's a true chef's stuff. Ooh, the noodles! Look at them! Are they gonna serve it with the water inside?
No.
Okay. There's some vegetables on top.
Yes.
I think I come up with the image you're trying to look. I think I found the image.
You probably do. So we're gonna turn the fire off because we don't want it to cook too much. We want our vegetables to crunchy and we want our noodles to.
I'm gonna saute my noodles.
Okay.
Seasoning and just saute my vegetables.
Add some butter on here. What are you doing over this side?
I'm just making a roux.
Oh.
But this is just flour and water just to thicken my sauce.
Okay. What are you doing here?
Just sauteing some cabbages.
Sauteing or sauteing?
Sauteing.
Oh, sauteing. Tastes perfect.
Blended.
And then add some noodles inside. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It looks so good from this angle too. Look at these. Look at the senior food, aka this is this.
Alright, so the 3 ingredients that had to be used today was beef. Doesn't matter what part of the cow, just beef, some cow-based meat, right? And then it had to be noodles and June plum. So first we're judging off of how the plate looks, and then we're going to the taste of the dish and the originality or creativity. So we're looking for something that we never seen before. We're looking for something that you can't walk into a restaurant and just order. Okay? So Auntie Shari put on you. And we have a guest judge, my friend Sharice. So okay, so we're starting with plating out of 10. And we don't know, it's an anonymous judging, so we don't know who made what. So we just gonna, the one with the oxtail is gonna be A, and the one without the oxtail. We already did our score for the plating and what it looks like, and now we're gonna start with tasting of A
And B,
which is
the
one with the oxtail. Alright, I want to know how they use the June plum as well.
Okay.
You taste the June plum?
No.
I don't taste the June plum. I do see some here on the top.
It's a little bit.
Alright, let's move on to B. Clear my palate.
This one is appealing.
Yeah. Alright, so B, you can definitely taste the June plum in the sauce.
Definitely. Taste the June plum in this one.
Good use of the June plum.
The beef is cooked right through. It's really good. Yeah.
both judges are writing.
But I think in terms of creativity, I would give it to A.
For
Why?
creativity for A?
Because you wouldn't go to the restaurant and see oxtail and noodles. But
True.
this one would remind me of like a Chinese noodles dish.
Which is plate D.
But put your score. You put
Yeah.
your score.
Okay. I did creativity.
Alright, so both judges have agreed based on the scores that B won.
Yes.
B definitely won because of taste and because of the plating.
Taste and the plating. Yeah.
Yes, and yes, even though A was created with the oxtail, which is something that was not expected,
B still took it.
yes, and I would have put some sauce.
Yeah,
on
the plum was not tasted in A
Yes.
at all.
The,
B?
yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please remember to share, like, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box.